Hello guys! On this tutorial I'm gonna show you how I create flat grainy shading and then volumetric grainy shading in Procreate. During this tutorial I'm gonna use Symmetry tool, selections and layer alpha locks. So if you want to learn more about these tools and learn how to use them, watch this video until the end. In addition, I'm gonna show you my color palette and my layer panel setup. Let's start by drawing our shapes using monoline brush from calligraphy section. Erase the end of the lines with some soft-edged brush. I'm using my custom shading brush Forest One, which you can download in the link down below. Let's draw some leaves. To draw the pear, turn on the drawing guide in Symmetry mode and the Layers Drawing Assist as I show in the video. To draw grainy shadows, I'm gonna use Forest One brush. I'm gonna use dark green color, pretty big size of the brush, and will apply a very low pressure. Then I'm gonna do the same with a light green color. And then I'm gonna use again the green color which we used in the beginning. I really love to use Harmony tool in the color wheel that gives you complementary colors, so you can use them to add a little bit of contrast to your illustrations. To shade the leaves, turn on Layers Alpha Lock and then click on the Selection tool. Make sure the Selection tool is on freehand mode. Then select the half of the leaf and start shading using Forest One brush and light green color. Then click again on the Selection tool and invert the selection, so now you can shade the other half of the leaf.